start screen sharing. This one we did, no? Sum number 4 we did. I think sum number 3 I gave for homework. I don't know. You guys are not doing homework after you started going to school. Okay. Let us now do sum number 5 and see. Sum number 5 we should do now. The line segment. Okay, exercise 5.4. We have to do sum number 5 now. Okay. The line segment joining 6, 3 and -1, 4 is doubled. There is a line AB. One point is 6, 3. Second point is -1, -4. Is doubled in length by adding half of AB to each end. Okay. This is half of AB. This side you add half of AB. Okay. Make it D. And this side you add another half of okay, this is A, this is C. Okay, now it has become twice its length by adding half of AB to each and find the coordinates of the new points. Let us say this is x1, y1, and let us say this is x2, y2. It's telling find x1 and x1, y1, and find x2, y2. Okay, how to find? Now let us take this line. Okay, this is equal to this, is equal to this, is equal to this. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Okay, this line now you take the line CB, line CB. Okay, in line CB. Okay, now this is midpoint M you take. Okay, CA plus AM plus MB, that is that. Okay, so what is this point A in line CB? This is only one part, and AB is 1 plus 1, 2 parts. Okay, so this will be one part, M will be 1, and N will be 2 parts. You understand? N will be 2 parts. Okay, so for the point C, then the point A is the point in the middle. 6, 3 is the point in the middle. Dividing point that is dividing. Okay, point that is dividing is A. It is dividing CB. CB, line CB is divided by, okay, point A. Okay, like that if you assume, okay, what happens? You can take the calculation. Okay, 6 is equal to M into X. Okay, this one -1. Okay, this is x3, y3 you assume. M into x3 plus n into this is x1. Okay, this is x1 by m plus n. You understand how it is coming? You ask if you are not able to understand. The line CB. Okay, this is line CB. is a line CB. Okay, it's got a point A inside it. 1 is to 2 ratio. M is equal to 1, N is equal to 2. Okay, that point. Okay, this point is already known 6 comma 3. Okay, the other point minus 1 comma minus 4 also is known. Okay, what we don't know is x1 y1 we don't know. Okay, now A is the dividing point. So X is usually what you will have, you will be given the end points and you'll be asked to find the dividing point coordinates. Okay, this time it is a reverse. So you put the reverse like that. Okay, what is A? A is 6 comma 3. Okay. So 6 is equal to, okay, usually you will find the x comma y. Okay, this one you will find. So 6 is equal to m into x3. Okay, x3 is this one. So m into minus 1 plus n into x1. x1 is what? x1 is x1. We don't know x1. Divided by m plus n. 6 equal to m plus n. Now m is 1. 1 into minus 1. N is what? 2. 2 into x1 divided by, okay, again 1 plus 2. 6 equal to. Okay, so this is equal to 3. So 6 into 3, you take this side. 6 into 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2x1. Okay, 18 is equal to minus 1 plus 2x1. So 18 plus 1 is equal to 19 is equal to 2x1. So 19 by 2 is equal to x1. What is this point? 19 by 2. Okay, x1. X. Okay, and x1. Now, same way you have to find for y1. How you have to find y1? You take the other one. Y here is 3. 3 is equal to, again, m into y3 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. That you do. Okay. 3 is equal to, you take this line, simple line. Take this one. 3 is this one. 3 is equal to, okay, m into y3. y3 is minus 4. Okay. M is 1. 1 into minus 4 plus n is 2. 2 into y1. y1 you don't know. So you put y1 divided by m plus n. M 1 plus 2 again. 1 plus 2. 3 is equal to. This is again 3. 3 into 3 is 9. You take this that side. 9 is equal to minus 4 plus 2y. Okay. 9 plus 4 equal to 2y. Implies 13 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 13 by 2. So what is that point? Point x1, y1 is equal to, point C x1, y1 is equal to 19 by 2, comma 13 by 2. All right, that's what it is there. Which sum is this? Exercise 5.4. Fifth sum. Fifth sum. Okay. Now let us shrink this up. Okay, and take it on top. Now the other side you have to find x2, y2. D x2, y2 you have to find. Okay. In order to find that, what you have to do? Okay, you take this line. A is 6 comma 3. D is x2, y2, which you don't know, and B is minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay, you take it like that. Now here, this is in the ratio of 2. M is in the ratio of 2. N is in the ratio of 1. All right, because see, 1 plus 1. This plus 1 and only 1. This is only 1 time. This is 2 time. You understand? Okay, like that you take. Now you substitute the values. Okay. X equal to, that is minus 1. This is x, center one. X equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n. Okay, that means minus 1 equal to m is 2, 2 into x2. X2 we don't know. Plus n 1, 1 into minus 1 divided by m plus n. M plus n is 2 plus 1. Okay, this is 3. So you take this the other side. Minus 3 is equal to 2x2 minus 1. You take this the other side. Make up minus 3 plus 1 equal to 2x2. Okay. So that means that implies minus 2 is equal to 2x2. So minus 2 by 2 is equal to x2, that is equal to my x2 equal to 1. So x2 is equal to 1 you got. Okay. Says 5.4. Something wrong here, huh? Something. Wait. Yeah, let us do it freshly. Huh? Okay. B you got minus x2, 6 comma 3 you got. Okay. One second. Just some. Okay, let us try again. Here we are having minus 3 comma 6, minus 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3 and minus 1 comma minus 4. 6 comma 3 and minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay. And it is in the ratio of 2:1. Correct. That is also correct. Why it is not coming? Minus 1 is equal to 2 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay. So this will be 3. So this you take it here. Minus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus x1. Minus 3 is equal to 2 into what is x2? 2x2 we don't know. x1 we know plus 6. Okay. This you take it there minus 9. minus 9 is equal to 2x2. Minus 9 by 2 is equal to x2. Okay. So x2 is equal to minus 9 by 2. Now what you have to do, you have to find for y. Minus 4 is equal to this one. No? This is y. Minus 4 is equal to m. M y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. That is equal to m. M is 2. 2 and y2 we don't know. Plus n is 1. 1 into y1 we know 3. Into 3 divided by m plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. This is totally 3. You take it this side. Minus 12 is equal to 2y2 plus 3. You take that this side. Minus 15 is equal to 2y2. Okay, so y2 is equal to minus 15 by 2. Okay. So x2 y2 is equal to, this point is equal to minus 9 by 2 comma minus 15 by 2, and the first point is equal to y is 13 by 2. First point, this one is equal to x 19 by 2 comma 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2, y is 13 by 2, x1 is x is 19 by 2. Okay, 19 by 2. So this is the where you answer the thing. Okay, so 19 by 2 comma 13 by 2 minus 9 by 2 comma 15 by 2. Okay, let us post that in your okay, that is done. You got the understanding, no? Divide the problem into two types. Okay, divide it into two types. Make it this one line and make this the other line. Then you will get it easy. Okay, you are able to understand what has happened. The line joining A is doubled in length by adding half to each end. So A is there, B is there. So A and B is there. This one is added is this side. Okay, so this becomes D. Same way, this half is added this side. This becomes C. He's asking to find C and find D coordinates. That's all. Okay. So from here, this is 2 times. This is 1 time, because we know this point minus 1 comma 4. We know this point. Okay. Same way, we know this point 6 comma 3 also. So 2 points, you know, you can find the third point. The other way is C and B minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay. And A, you have 6 comma 3. What you don't know is x1, y1. So this is going to be one part. This is going to be 2 parts. So m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Here the other one, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Okay, like that you put and substitute the values. Okay, you will get the answer for x2, y2. Okay, this is in the middle. This is this is a trisection, and this is the point that is dividing the other points. Like that you should take. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, let us move on to next sum. Any issues in that thing? Using section formula, show that the points A, B, and C are collinear. Okay. See, unless we are collinear, section formula cannot be used. Okay. So you have to use something else also. What we have to use? We have to use something else also. I will tell you what else we have to use. See, something is being told here. Huh? If 3 points are collinear, then one of the points divide the segment joining the other 2 points in the ratio of 1:2. Correct? If 3 points are collinear, can you see that? In A, B, and C are collinear, then what will be the truth? B divides a line segment joining A and C in the ratio of R:1. So we can say exercise 5.4, sixth problem. Okay. Point 7, 5. A is 7, 5. 7, -5. B is 9, -3. And C is 13, 1. Now you got this. You have to show that the points are collinear and you have to use section formula. Okay. You cannot just use section formula alone. Okay. You have to use this thing. What it is that thing? If the point B is actually collinear with A and C and is dividing AC, then it will be dividing AC in the ratio of R:1. Okay. That means AB by BC is equal to R:1. Or AB is equal to BC into R. Okay. First. Okay. Now let us find AB, let us find BC, and let us find R. AB is equal to, you have to use the distance formula, AB. Okay. This is x2 minus x1 the whole square. 9 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 3 plus 5 the whole square. Okay, because minus 5 when you minus will become plus 5. 2 squared plus 2 squared. That means 2 into 2 squared, root of 2. So that means 2 into root of 2, that is AB. AB is that one. Now you find BC, distance formula. Distance formula. We find BC. BC is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square minus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Like that you take. Okay. 13 minus 9 the whole square plus 1 plus 3 the whole square. That you take. 13 minus 9 is 4 squared. 1 plus 3 is 4 squared. That is equal to 2 into 4 squared root. Okay. So 4 root 2 is equal to BC. Now what is R? R is AB by BC is equal to R. That is equal to AB was 2 root 2. BC was 4 root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel. 2 by 4 cancel. Half. R is equal to half. Okay. So AB by BC is being divided in the ratio of 1:2 then. So this R only is equal to M by N. Okay. Is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, M is equal to 1, N is equal to 2. So M is equal to 1 and N is equal to 2. That ratio only it is dividing. So if it is dividing in that ratio, then what we now have to show is, in order to prove that the points are collinear, you just substitute that formula and see if 9, minus 3 is coming. Okay. What you have to do? Let's substitute, use the midpoint form, use the intermediate point formula. Okay. X is equal to M into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n. You find that out. Whether it is coming 9. Let us see. M is 1, n is 2. Okay. So M is 1, n is equal to 2. That is the case. 1 into x2. Okay. What is x2? X2 is 13. 1 into 13 plus n. N is 2. 2 into x1. What is x1? 7. 2 into 7 divided by 1 plus 2. That is x. Let us see. 13 plus 14 divided by 3. 14 plus 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9 equal to x. Okay. So what is this value? This value is 9. So it's coming x. Okay. So it's coming x. Same way, try to find for y also. Y is equal to again m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, that is equivalent to m is 1, y2 is this one 1. 1 into 1 plus n is 2. So 2 into y1. What is y1? Y1 is, go back. Okay, y1 is minus 5. Okay, this is y1. Y1 is minus 5. 2 into minus 5 divided by m plus n. 1 plus minus 10 divided by 3. It is minus 9 by 3 is equal to minus 3 is equal to y. What is y? You see, y is also minus 3. So this point which is dividing, x value is equal to 9, y value is equal to minus 3. So the AC line is divided by B, and B is collinear. B is collinear with AC. Okay, that's all we have proved. Okay, let us take a snapshot like this. These sums are slightly vague, okay, because each one is assuming something. So what is the main idea in this sum? We have to prove that they are collinear. The 3 points are collinear. That means they lie on the same line. Okay, so what you are finding? You are first finding the distance AB, then distance BC, and then AB by BC you are getting 2:1. Now AB by BC is 2:1. It can be like this also. Correct. It can be like this also. This can be 2:1. Okay. So you have to prove that it is not like that. It is actually like this. A, B, and C. It is actually like this. How do you prove it is actually on that? For that, you use a section formula and you derive the values of B from the values of A and C. Okay. And you find that if you use section formula in the ratio 2:1, okay, B is actually exactly coming as 9 comma minus 3, which means section formula is applicable. Section formula works only when points are collinear. Okay, so here section formula is working. Here section formula is working. Gives correct point. Okay, therefore A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, you understand? Because section formula will work only if the points are collinear. So if you take m:n ratio, we have found out the ratio of AB and BC first. Okay, first point. Then we have to prove that B is not in a triangular form. No, it's not like this. It is not like this. It is like this. Therefore, you apply the section formula, put the ratio of 1:2 and apply it. Then you get the exact answer 9 comma minus 3. So you know that this is not going up. It is not a triangle, it is a collinear thing. All right. So it's some kind of slightly circular logic that we have to use there. Then what you have to do? Sum number 7. Sum number 7. Sum number 7 is saying a line segment AB is increased along its length by 25%. Okay. Producing it to C on the side of B. Okay. Now there is a line segment. This is what exercise 5.4. 7 sum. Okay, there is a line segment AB. Okay, each is 25%. This is another 25%. This is 25%. This is 25%. Okay, it is extended by producing it to C on this. It is again extended by 25%. Another 25% is covered. Okay. If A and B have coordinates -2, -3, and this is 2, 1. Find the coordinates of C. What is the coordinates of C? Okay. So how much? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. This becomes 1 and this becomes another 1. So how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 parts. M is equal to 4 parts and N is equal to 1 part. Okay. You got it? Now what you have to do? This is the dividing point. So dividing point, this is X and this is Y dividing. So 2 is equal to M into X2. Okay, this is X2. Let us keep it X2, Y2. X2 plus N into X1 divided by M plus N. Okay, here M is what? 4 times. Any doubts? M is 4 times. Okay, and X2 we don't know, so we put X2. N is 1 time. What is X1? X1 is -2. Okay, between the 2 points A and C. Okay, you have point B between A and C. So 2 is equal to 4x2 plus N is 1 and X1. What is X1? Into -2 divided by M plus 1. M is 4, N is 1. Okay, 2 is equal to. This is 4 plus 1, 5. So 10 is equal to 4x2 -2. You take this 2 the other side. 10 plus 2 is equal to 4x2. So 12 is equal to 4x2. X2 is equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3. That is equal to X2. X2 equal to 3. Same way what you have to do now. 1. This one, this is the Y. 1 is equal to My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. M is again 4. Y2, we don't know Y2. Plus N is 1. Y1 is -3. Okay. Into -3 divided by 4 plus 1. 4y2 minus 3 by 5 equal to 1. Take this the other side. 5 is equal to 4y2 minus 3. This here 5 plus 3 is equal to 4y2. 8 is equal to 4y2. So y2 is equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. So the point C is 3, 2. Answer. All right. I hope you understood this sum. In all these sums, we are doing the ulta. Usually what they will give the two endpoints of the line and then say that, point P is dividing it in 1:4 ratio. Find P, they will give. Here, what they are given, A and B and saying find C. Okay. And you have to find the ratios and then calculate C. So it is a reverse process. Okay. If you are given A and C and find P, what you will do? You will just do X is equal to this one. This is X1, Y1, let us say. This is X2, Y2, let us say. Then you will say M into X2 plus N into X1 by M plus N. Like that you'll go. You will just find, okay, let us say X equal to 3, you will find. Okay, now you are not finding like that. You are finding the inverse. Because what is given is this point is given and one of these other points is given. You have to find the third point on the outside. Okay, that's a difference. With that we are finishing. Yeah, we have finished exercise 5.4. We have to now do coordinates of the centroid. Okay, very simple. Now, what to do about centroid? I will just show you about the centroid. Then you can easily understand. There is a triangle and there is a medians are okay. This is AD, this is B, this is here. This is the centroid. Okay, now this always divides in the ratio of 2:1. Now what you have to do, you have to get first point D. Okay, suppose this is X1, Y1, this is X2, Y2, and this is X3, Y3. Okay, what is D? D, let us say X4, Y4. What is D? D, X4, Y, very simple. It's a midpoint of BC. Okay, D is midpoint of BC. Midpoint, what is 3? X3 plus X2 by 2, comma, Y3 plus Y2 by 2. That's all midpoint. Okay. You got midpoint now. So now you got the line AD. That line AD, one is X1, Y. Okay, X1, Y1. The other one is X2 plus X3 by 2, comma, Y2 plus Y3 by 2. This is one point and D is another point. Now you have this divide, centroid divides in the ratio of 2:1. You have to find the point centroid G, X, comma, Y. Okay. X is equal to what? M into, M is 2 here. Okay. So this is M equal to 2, N equal to 1. Okay. So M into first this point. Okay. X2 plus X3 by 2. Okay. What is the formula? Okay, before I go here, let me write the formula. M into X2 plus N into X1 by M plus N. This is the formula. Okay. M into, what is X2? X2 itself is X2 plus X3. Okay. And plus N into X1. So whole divided by M plus N. Okay. M is 2, M plus 1. Okay. What is M? M is 2 here. So 2 into X2 plus X3 by 2 plus 1 into X1 divided by 3. This will cancel off. When that is cancelling off, what you get? You get X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3. Okay. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. The same way for y, you will get y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the centroid. Very simple. If the three vertices are given and you are asked to find the centroid, you can find it very easily now. All right. Okay. Now, one more thing. One more thing is, this is the centroid. Okay. Now, this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. If you join these three and form a triangle, form a triangle. Now, what he's telling is, this G will be the centroid of that also. Here it is in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. Here it will be in the ratio of 2:1 this way. Okay. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, this is. But let us say this is A comma B. This is C comma D. This is E comma F. Okay. Then central will be A plus C plus E by 3. That is also there. Okay. So that is the funny and one more principle, one more property. Okay, one more property. Or if you don't want A, B, C, D, A1, B1, A2, B2, and you take A3, B3. Okay, so A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3, comma, B1 plus B2 by plus B3 by 3. Both will be same. This will also be same. This will also be same as y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so centroid G, the triangle which is obtained by joining the midpoints of the three sides. Okay, this triangle. So this triangle will also have the same centroid. Okay, you'll also have the same centroid. Okay, once you got that, let us go and do the note Euler line is a very advanced thing. Let us come back to that when we do this problem, exact problem when we do, we'll come back to that. Meanwhile, let us do example 5.20. Then you will understand easily. Activity and all, we don't want, no time. This is what I told. If A1, B are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC, then its centroid G is given by A1 plus A2 plus B3. Okay. What you are saying here is, you join these 3 points, you get another triangle. Okay. That triangle has a centroid. That centroid and this triangle centroid will all be the same. G is same for both DEF triangle and ABC triangle. Okay. G is centroid. That's why x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is same as a1 plus a2 plus a3 by 3. Okay, you will get that same point. Okay, you understood? I hope you understood. We will do an example, you will understand even better. Let us do example 5.20. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, okay, there is a triangle. Vertices are A 6 comma minus 1, B 8 comma 3, and C 10 comma minus 5. This is a triangle. Find the vertices of the centroid. Okay, find the centroid. What is the vertices of the centroid? So this is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So what is x1 plus x2 plus x3? x1 is 6. Okay. x2 is 8 plus 8. x3 is 10 plus 10 divided by 3. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24 by 3. That is equal to 8. Okay. So this one is equal to 8. Now what is y? Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. y1 is minus 1, minus 1. y2 is plus 3, plus 3. Then y3 is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 plus minus 1 is minus 6 plus 3 by 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 by 3. That is equal to minus 1. So 8 comma minus 1 is the point that you are getting. Yeah, your textbook is also affirming that. Do you understand? Very simple. How to use the centroid formula to find the centroid? Very simple. This is example 5.20. Okay. Let us copy paste it into your. Now you should start doing some of these exercises. Otherwise, you will have a problem. Okay. Now there is one note. Let us understand that note. In case we need that, we can understand that note. It's called the Euler line. Okay. There is something called the Euler line. What is the Euler line of the triangle here? Can you see SH? This is the Euler line. Okay. The line is the Euler line. Okay. Now what you are saying is Euler line. What is the Euler line? Orthocenter. This is orthocenter. Okay. This is centroid G. Okay. S is circumcenter. This you studied in geometry. Okay. What you studied in geometry? Orthocenter means the intersection of the altitudes. Okay. Like this you take, no? You drop one altitude, then you drop another altitude, then you drop a third altitude. Where they meet, that becomes orthocenter. Centroid means what you saw now. Medians are meeting. Median, what is median? Opposite side middle point to join. Same way, opposite middle point to join. Opposite side middle point to join. They will also join. This is centroid. Centroid is always G. Okay. Orthocenter is always H. Now the other thing is circumcenter. What is circumcenter? And perpendicular bisectors. Okay. So this is like something is like that. You draw from here one perpendicular bisector. Then you another draw perpendicular bisector. From here you draw one perpendicular bisector. They will meet at a point. Okay. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. It divides this line. This divides this line. This divides this line. Okay, that is perpendicular bisector. What is that called?
Perpendicular bisector.
Circumcenter. Okay. It's all in geometry. Have you finished your geometry chapter?
Half of it finished, uncle.
Half of it finished. Have you come to perpendicular bisectors and circumcenter? No, you have not come. Okay. When you finish that, you will understand. So that's why I'm not taking that very detailed now. What this thing you must know is from the orthocenter, if you go for the straight line SH, okay, G is a centroid. Okay. G is a centroid. It divides this line. Okay, the Euler line. It is called Euler line. This line, brown line, it's called Euler line. It divides that in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, very funny, very complicated property. Internally, it divides in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, that's all he's telling. But in an equilateral triangle, orthocenter, which means altitudes, meeting point of altitudes. Centroid means meeting point of medians. Okay, in center, and then circumcenter, which means meeting point of the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, all of them will be the same in equilateral triangle. That's all he's telling. Okay, for now you understand there is something called Euler line. Orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter are 3 points. In the centroid will divide the line joining the orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, that's all you need to remember. Let us see if that is needed. We can go for it in the exercises. Otherwise, we can leave it. You can just keep it in mind. They will ask an objective question. You can answer it. Okay. If they are asking in problem solving, then you are caught. You have to understand it completely. But if they are asking only in what is Euler line in objective questions, you can answer it like that. That is enough. Example 5.21 now. Let us do. Example 5.21. We came a little late now, 7 or 8 minutes late. So let us take some time now and finish it. Okay, please cooperate. The centroid of a triangle is at -2, 1. Okay, centroid of a triangle is -2, 1. Okay, two of its vertices are 1, -6 and -5, 2. Find the third vertex. Okay, what? Very simple. Okay, what you have to put? Centroid is equal to -2. Okay, minus x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, x1 you know 1. 1 plus -5. 1 minus 5 plus x3 by 3 is equal to -2. You take this that side, -6 equal to 1 minus 5 is -4 plus x3. Okay, so you take this side, -6 plus 4 is equal to x3, which implies x3 is equal to -2. All right, it's very simple. Same way you have to form for the other one. Okay, this is y. 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, 1 is equal to y1 you know -6 y2 is +2 y3 you don't know plus just write y3 by 3. Okay, take 3 the other side. 3 is equal to -6 plus 2 plus y3. Okay, -6 plus 2, this is -4. Take it the other side. 3 plus 4 equal to y3. So y3 is equal to 7. So the third point x3 y3 is equal to -2, 7. Okay, that's all. Let us solve at least one problem in exercise 5.5. 1 or 2 problems. You'll do classwork, and you can take the third problem. Let us see if you can take third problem for homework and do. Do third problem for homework and do. Let's do just 1 and 2. What we now need is, now we have exercise 5.5 you have arrived at, and your first sum, that first one. Okay, let us do that. Second one you do for homework. Okay. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, okay, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 7 by 3. 2 minus 3, 2 plus 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 3 by 3. 6 by 3. That is equal to 2. X equal to 2. Then you find y. y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is equal to y1. Y1 is telling the triangle is -4. Okay. Y2 is also -7. And y3 is 2 divided by 3. -7, 8, 9, 10, 11. -11 plus 2 by 3. Okay, that is equal to -9 by 3. That is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3. So point centroid is 2 comma -3. Okay, that is the answer. You do the second part of it. Exercise 5.51. Second part you do. Okay, let us do just one more. We have 5 more minutes with just one more. Exercise 5.5. Let us do the second sum. If the centroid of a triangle is at 4 comma -2. Okay, centroid is 4 comma -2, and two of its vertices are 3 comma -2 and 5 comma 2. Find the third one. Very simple. You know that how to do. 4 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, you take this other side. 12 is equal to x1 is 3. 3 plus x2 is 5 plus 5. X3 we don't know, plus x3. Okay, 12 is equal to 8 plus x3. 12 minus 8, you take this 8 this side, equal to x3. So the 4, x3 is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Okay, same way you have to now do the other one. Centroid -2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, y1 is what? -2. Y2 is what? +2. Y3 we don't know. Just put it like that, divided by 3. Okay, 2 minus 2. This you take this -6 equal to 2 and 2 will cancel, y3. So y3 is equal to -6. So the third point is equal to 4 comma -6. Okay, third point is 4 comma -6. So very easy sums these are. We have another 4 minutes. Okay, what we will do? We will try the third sum then. Let us do exercise 5.5. Third sum we'll try. Find the length of the median through A of a triangle. Vertices are -1 comma 3, B is 1 comma -1, and C is 5 comma 1. Is telling find the length of the median through A of a triangle. Okay, he is finding how much is AD. Okay, now first let us find the point midpoint of B and C. Once you get that, you can use distance formula to get the other thing. Okay, find the length of the median through angle A. I think this is very simple sum. Right, they are giving such a simple sum. Say 5.53. 1 second. Yeah, this is a simple sum. What you have to do now, you have to find midpoint of BC. What is midpoint of BC? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Correct. This is midpoint. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Let us keep. Okay. Now x1 is 1, x2 is 5 by 2, comma y1 plus y2. Y1 is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, midpoint of BC. Okay, that is D is equal to. So 1 plus 5 is 6 by 2, comma minus 0, 0. That is equal to 3, comma 0. So this point becomes 3, comma 0. Now what is telling? Find the distance AD. Now you can use the distance formula and x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2 square. No, that formula you can use. Now you can use that formula. Okay, you got both the points. Okay, this you take as x1 y1, this you take as x2 y2. You can find it easily now. Minus 1 minus 3 the whole squared plus y1 is 3. Okay, 3. What is y2? Y2 is 0, minus 0 the whole square. So minus 4 the whole square plus 3 square root of. That is equal to 16 plus 9 root of. That is equal to root of 25. That is root of 5 square. So that is equal to 5. So AD is equal to 5. So the length of median, what he asked for, find the length of median. That's equal to this one. Okay. So I think with that's all we will be able to do today. 3 sums you have done. We have 4 more sums. Let us complete that and exercise 5.6 my MCQs based thing. Some of the MCQs we will do in the next class. Okay. What you can do, please do sum number 2. Did we finish sum number 2? Nobody is talking.
Okay.
Exercise 5.5, sum number 1. Second part you have to do. Exercise 5.5, 2 second sum we finished. Okay. Then third sum also we finished. Okay. Oh, everything we are finishing in class itself. Then what you will do for homework? Okay. Why don't you try fourth for homework? Fourth is easy sum only. Only fifth sum is a difficult sum. Everything else is straightforward. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
One problem number 1, the second one 2. Okay, Roman numeral 2 you have to do for homework, and then fourth sum you try for homework. Okay, I'll type now. It's exercise 5.5, 1, 2, and 4 homework. Very small homework I'm giving. If you are not going to do the homework, guys, it will become very difficult for you to do that, because you are not working out the problems. You are only staring at the screen, and we are doing everything here. So it will become a real problem. Okay. So start doing the homeworks. Otherwise, don't think you are learning. You are not learning. Unless you can do it yourself, you are not learning. Okay. Look at all these sums. Then close your eyes. I mean, close your the WhatsApp. Then go to your notebook and start doing the sums yourself. Okay, some of these sums. Okay, we'll stop there. Bye, guys.
Bye.
We'll see day after tomorrow, Friday.
Okay.
Do the homework and postman, please. Sandhya, you are doing. Arpana also you are doing. Both of you are not doing now. Please do the homework. Okay. Bye.